Hey everybody, this week I want to talk to you about our continuing education. One of the things that we take pride in at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness is that we're always trying to stay on top of the current situation in hormones and all of the things that we do. And we were at a conference last week, and one of the interesting modules was this concept of storytelling. And it reminded us that each and every one of you have your own story. And it's that story that really motivates us, because by catering to your story that is listening to you and creating a personalized, individualized program, we can give you the absolute best in medical care. And by doing that, we sometimes maybe we see you a little bit more frequently, we do a couple of more lab tests, and we reach out and interact a little bit more than maybe every other doctor does or every other hormone clinic does that maybe just puts in the hormones and sends you on your way. By doing that, we can absolutely make sure you're getting the best care and the most optimized care. And you know what? That's what matters the most, because by getting the best and the most optimized care, you're going to do the best, you're going to feel the best, and your lives are going to be changed the most. And we're really proud of that, and that's our commitment to you. And you know what? Even more interestingly, one of the fun things about last week is that one of our own staff was selected to be one of the teachers. And it reminded me of how hard we work to make ourselves better than a lot of the other providers out there, that we would actually be selected to teach other doctors exactly what we do here at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. So I hope you understand how important it is for us to treat you as individuals and to make sure you all get the best and the most in customized, individualized care.